Why do 98% of successful financial planners advocate for emergency funds? Let's unravel the mystery behind this financial fortress. Imagine this: your car breaks down, or a sudden medical bill pops up. Stressful, right? But here's where an emergency fund comes into play, transforming a financial nightmare into a mere hiccup. An emergency fund is essentially your financial shock absorber. It's not about if unexpected expenses will occur, it's about being prepared when they do. Financial experts suggest saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This might sound daunting, but the peace of mind it provides is priceless. Starting small is perfectly fine. Even setting aside a little from each paycheck can steadily build your emergency reserve. Remember, it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Over time, this fund grows, not just in value, but in its power to shield you and your family from unexpected financial downturns. So why wait? Start today, secure tomorrow. After all, in the world of financial planning, the best surprise is no surprise at all.